All right, here today we're going to talk about control boxes. Control boxes are a box that's built into a recliner that basically is built there so that your chair can have a whole bunch of different functionality, and they do that through a control box. So what'll happen is on this particular control box that you can see is that a lot of customers don't even know they have a control box. It's just underneath their recliner, but this is kind of what one looks like. It's kind of the brains of the chair. Everything plugs into it, and from here everything's routed. So power comes in. You can see on this one it has headrest, lumbar, back, and base. So this is actually a lift recliner that has lumbar and a headrest motor as well. So that's why we have all the different connections, and then we have it connected to a remote control. So what'll happen is if you've replaced your remote and it's still not working, things aren't working in your chair, if your power supply is good and that's not working, you might even try to replace some of your motors and it's still not working, that means that something's wrong with your control box. And one of the things you can understand that will help us understand what you need is on this control box, it has a model number on here and it'll tell us. So if you can get a good picture of that control box, we'll know what it is. We keep most of these in stock. We try and have them handy, but the control box, like I said, is going to be screw mounted underneath the chair somewhere that's going to control everything. They're actually pretty simple to connect. This one is all color coded, so that really makes it helpful. You got yellows and grays and blacks and blues, so you know exactly where everything's plugged in, and you just simply unscrew it, plug everything in, reconnect it, you'll be back to good. But again, a control box could be one of the symptoms of your chair if it's not working. Let us know which box you have and we're happy to help.